When you see a house you like, should you get a home inspection? Well, the answer to this question lies in understanding just what services a professional home inspector provides you. A home inspector is an individual trained to look critically at all aspects of the house. It is always wise to include a home inspection contingency in your offer. If the inspection in fact turns up problems, you can use the report and repair estimates to leverage the seller to fix them, provide you with a price reduction, or even cancel the contract. Some areas covered by home inspectors include heating, electrical and plumbing systems, overall interior and exterior, structural conditions, roof and foundation. Remember to always get a written report and written estimates if applicable. Like any other professional, an inspector should have references and a strong work history. Your agent can provide you with a list of recommended names. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call or text me directly. I wish you all the best in finding the home of your dreams.